This is the base of the pier here in Manitowoc that fell into the water. This is the Southside pier. Look at this. It's just fiberglass. No wonder why that thing broke off. I didn't know it was just fiberglass. Look at over here how thin it is. Look at that. That is really some thin fiberglass right there. Look at that. Huh. That was the base of this signal light. Well, it's in the water now. That's the north side. That's a lighthouse. And this signal light is down here someplace. The waves are crashing from the lakeside and push it into the river. So that's got to be interesting to somebody. This is the cement base here. So I'd had enough of fishing. I'm gonna walk back. I got a long way to go. Way over there. So we'll talk to you later.